Hello, hello, welcome to my YouTube video. I want to show you how to borrow airtime from Airtel network. If you want to borrow airtime from Airtel network, what you have to do is to dial *500#, then click on send button. Now here is the message on the screen. If you want to check if you are eligible to borrow airtime, you press 1. You can see here you are qualified for 100 naira on your extra credit account. Here I am qualified to borrow a maximum of 100 naira. I can borrow more than 100 naira. Let me go to the main menu. Now here is the main menu. If you want to borrow data, you press 3. If you want to borrow credit, you press 2. Now to borrow credit, I press 2. Send. You can see 15% charge will be deducted. So any amount I borrow, 15% will be deducted from my account. So that's all. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I advise you to subscribe. Do not forget to click on subscribe button so that you can watch my previous video and new videos. Thank you for watching.